student, welcome to SGY online chemistry classes for class 12 English medium. Student, today I am going to start the new chapter of organic chemistry and it is your last chapter of organic chemistry, that is the nitrogen containing organic compound. First of all, हम इसमें जो compound study करने जा रहे हैं, that is amines. The general formula of amines are RNH2. Okay. Here R may be aliphatic and may be aromatic. It is primary amine. What is the formula of secondary amine? That is R2NH. It is 2 degree amine. And 3 degree amine is R3N. It is 3 degree amine. When R is aliphatic like CH3NH2, methylamine, and C2H5NH2 like ethylamine, it is known as aliphatic amine. And when R is aromatic like C6H5NH2, it is aromatic amine and it is aniline. So this is all about the aniline. So now I am going to start the methods of preparation of amines. Okay. So let's start methods of preparation. Methods of preparation. Methods of preparation of amines. Number one method is by reduction. By the reduction of number A is nitro compounds. Number 2, by cyanides and isocyanates. Number 3, by oxide. And number last is by amines. So, amines can be prepared by the reduction of nitro compounds, alkyl cyanides as well as alkyl isocyanates, by the reduction of oxide and also by the reduction of amines. We take reducing agent like LiAlH4 reducing agent or SNHCl, FeHCl, H2Ni and NaC2H5OH. These all are the reducing agent which we select in this type of reaction. ये क्या है स्टूडेंट? ये सारे रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हैं जिनको हम इन रिएक्शंस में सेलेक्ट करेंगे फॉर द रिडक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स और साइनाइड्स, आइसोसाइनाइड्स, ऑक्साइड्स एंड अमाइड्स. सो देयर आर 4 कैटेगरीज जो कि हमको रिडक्शन कराना है जिनका, और इनसे हमको क्या मिलेगा? एमाइन मिलेगा, जिनके लिए ये रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट हम सेलेक्ट करके चलेंगे. नाउ वी स्टार्ट वन बाय वन. सो नंबर 1 इज amines can be prepared by the reduction of nitro compounds. So number 1 is by the reduction of nitro compounds. By the reduction of nitro compounds. Nitro compounds is mean alkyl nitroalkane. Nitroalkane is RNA2. जब इसका हम रिडक्शन करेंगे देन हमको एक चाहिए रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट. जो सबसे बेस्ट रिड्यूसिंग एजेंट है दैट इज LiLH4, that is lithium aluminium hydride. Apart from this we also take SNHCl as well as FeHCl and H2Ni and NaC2H5OH. So we write here lithium aluminium hydride. It gives how many oxygen student? मुझे चाहिए RNH2. क्या बनाना है? RNH2. So 2 ऑक्सीजन यहाँ से हटाने हैं in the form of water. Okay, इसको भी मैं हटा दे रही हूँ. It form RNH2 and 2 oxygen is replaced by 2 molecule of water as. Okay, so how many hydrogens here? 2 2 ja 4 and 5 6. So here 6 hydrogen is given by the lithium aluminium hydride. Okay. Now we take here C2H5NO2, that is nitroethane. After reduction it gives C2H5NH2. यहाँ से हमको इतना पार्ट में H2 लगाना है and 2 oxygen is replaced at 2 molecule of water. It is nitroethane. After reduction it gives ethylamine. It is ethylamine. Now we select here C6H5NO2. After reduction in the presence of AlH4, it gives C6H5NH2, that is aniline plus 2 molecule of water. So in this type of reaction we can prepare aliphatic amine as well as aromatic amine, and first reaction is done by the reduction of nitro compounds. Next is by the reduction of cyanides and isocyanides. By the reduction of alkyl cyanides and alkyl isocyanides. Okay. What is the formula of alkyl cyanide? That is RCN. And we also take here reducing agent like SNHCl, FeSCl, NaC2H5OH and सबसे बेस्ट क्या है LiLH4. Okay. Now we take RCN. How many hydrogens take place here? यहाँ पे हमको CH2NH2 बनाना है. 2 hydrogen attached with carbon and 2 hydrogen attached with nitrogen. So there are 4 hydrogen here. And ये 4 hydrogen कौन देगा? That is LiAlH4. It gives RCH2NH2. That is amine. ये amine बन गया. For example, if we take here CH3CN, that is alkyl cyanide. After reduction in the presence of LiLH4, it gives CH3CH2NH2, that is ethylamine. CH3CH2NH2, that is ethylamine. And if we take here C6H5CN, that is phenylamine, and after reduction in the presence of LiAlH4, it gives C6H5CH2NH2. It means N-methylamine. It is N-पे का फॉर्मूला क्या बनेगा? That is C6H5CH2NH2, that is benzylamine. Student, when same reaction is done in the presence of NaC2H5OH, NaC2H5OH, when we choose reducing agent like NaC2H5, then same reaction is known as Mendeus reaction. Mendeus reaction. If we take reducing agent is NaC2H5OH, then this reaction is named as Mendeus reaction. Okay, the second process is done, that is the reduction of cyanides. Then what about isocyanides? इसका रिडक्शन करा लिया. अब हम लोग को आइसोसाइनाइड का रिडक्शन कराना है. ओके, आइसोसाइनाइड इज RNC. How many hydrogens take place in this reaction? यहाँ पे हमको 2 H लेने हैं, यहाँ पे हमको 3 H लेने हैं. यहाँ पे हमको R के साथ N के साथ 1 H देंगे और यहाँ पे 3 H देंगे. There are 4 hydrogen here. So 4 hydrogens. ये हमको कौन देंगे? That is the LiH4 reducing agent, and it gives RNHCH3. Okay, that is हमको यहाँ पे मिल जाएगा आपका सेकेंडरी अमीन. 1 डिग्री अमीन ही है. 1 डिग्री अमीन में आपका सेकेंडरी अमीन मिला यहाँ पे आपको. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट हमको यहाँ पे मिला, दैट इज ये क्या बना आपका? 1 डिग्री अमीन ही है बेटा, बिकॉज R के साथ एक N के साथ एक R और रिप्लेस हो गया है. नेक्स्ट फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम यहाँ पे CH3NC ले लें, देन 4 हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे लगेंगे इन द प्रेजेंस ऑफ LiAlH4 एंड इट गिव्स CH3, N के साथ H, सिंगल बॉन्ड CH3, यानी N के साथ मेथिल लगा हुआ है, इट इज मेथिलामीन, एंड methylamine. Its name is, and it is the example of multidiamine. Okay, so it is done. When we take here phenyl isocyanate, तो हमको यहाँ पे N पे मेथिल लगा होगा और फेनिलएमीन मिलेगा, that is aromatic amine. So ये डन हो गया by the reduction of alkyl cyanide and alkyl isocyanide. Now move to next reduction process in which we reduced the oximes by the reduction of oxime. In our course, there are two type of oxime. One is aldooxime and another one is ketoxime. What is aldooxime? That is RCH double bond NOH. It is known as oxime when carbon double bonded with NOH. Okay, NOH. This is oxime and ये aldehyde से बना होगा जाके, so its name is aldooxime. And when we take acetaldehyde here, so its name is acetaldooxime. Okay, तो यहाँ पे हम यहाँ पे सीधे acetaldehyde ही बना लेना है, that is acetaldooxime, or you can write this acetaldehyde oxime. Okay, acetaldehyde oxime, और क्या लिख सकते हैं एसिटल्डोऑक्साइन, कुछ भी लिख सकते हैं इसको, ठीक है, एसिटल्डोऑक्साइन. इसका रिडक्शन करेंगे. रिडक्शन के लिए कितने हाइड्रोजन यहाँ पे चाहिए हम लोग को, ये पूरा पार्ट रहेगा, इसमें एक H और चाहिए, यहाँ पे OH हटा देंगे एज वाटर, तो H2O, यहाँ पे चाहिए 2H, यहाँ पे चाहिए 1H, that is CH3, CH2, NH2 and 1H. There are 2, 3 and 4. 4 hydrogens are used and these 4 hydrogens are given by LiLH4, or you can write this NaCH5OH or SNHCl, FeSCl या H2ni. So this is CH3 CH2 single bond NH2 plus HOH. This is ethylamine. Okay, क्या मिल गया हमको ethylamine. If we choose ketoxime, what is the formula of ketoxime? हमको यहाँ पे 2 R लगाना पड़ेगा, और जब ketoxime हम एसीटोन से बनाएंगे तो एसिटोऑक्साइम नेम हो जाएगा. एसीटोन ऑक्साइम मैं ले रही हूँ यहाँ पे, that is एसिटोऑक्साइम is double bond NOH. Acetoxime, it reduced by 4 hydrogen which is given by LiLH4 and it gives CH3CCH3 CH3CCH3. Okay, एक H यहाँ पे चाहिए, that is H and NH2. Okay, plus 1 molecule of water. It is also 1 degree amine. Clear? So it is the by the reduction of oxime is done. Now the second method is by the reduction of amides. What is the formula of amides? RC double bond OH2. ओके, यहाँ से पूरा हमको ये CO हटाना होगा, ठीक है, देखते हैं. CH3 C double bond NH2, that is acetamide. It is going to be reduced in the presence of H2SO4 and यहाँ पे हमको ये 2 हटाने हैं. What? There are 2 hydrogens and ये ऑक्सीजन भी जाएगा 2 हाइड्रोजन के साथ, because H2O बनेगा, तो there are 4 hydrogens are needed, which is given by the LiLH4. We take here LiAlH4. What we get? CH3 CH2 NH2. CH3 CH2 NH2 plus 1 molecule of water. Aliphatic amine मिल गया. Now we take benjamide. What is the formula of benjamide? That is C6H5 C double bond NH2. It is benjamide and it is going to be reduced LiLH4. What we get? C6H5 CH2NH2 plus 1 molecule of water. Okay, aromatic amine मिल गया. तो ये रिडक्शन प्रोसेस हम लोगों ने पूरा क्या किया, खत्म किया. बाय द रिडक्शन ऑफ कौन बाय द रिडक्शन ऑफ एमाइड्स, बाय द रिडक्शन ऑफ साइनाइड, आइसोसाइनाइड्स, बाय द रिडक्शन ऑफ ऑक्साइम्स एंड एज वेल एज बाय द रिडक्शन ऑफ नाइट्रो कंपाउंड्स वी गेट amines, aliphatic amines as well as aromatic amines, primary amines and also secondary amines. Okay, number next process is Hoffman bromamide reaction. It is the reaction reaction in which amide, that is CH3CO NH2, we take here acetamide here, react with Br2 in the presence of KOH. Now it is degradation reaction. हम यहाँ से ये पूरा हटा देंगे, that is क्या मिलेगा हमको CH3NH2 plus 2Br2 replaced with 2K, so 2KBr plus K2CO3 because ये पूरा डिग्रेड होके निकलेगा, and plus 2 molecule of water. H is okay. This is the balanced reaction. It is acetamide, and this reaction is known as Halfman bromamide reaction. Now this reaction is useful for the preparation of aliphatic as well as aromatic amine. For aromatic amine, for the preparation of aromatic amine, we take here benzamide. What is the formula of benzamide? And aniline is prepared. Okay, C6H5CONH2. This CO is degrade, हटा देंगे तो क्या मिलेगा? C6H5NH2 is reacted with Br2 in the presence of KOH. What we get? C6H5NH2, that is aniline C6H5NH2 plus 2KBr plus K2CO3 potassium carbonate and plus 2 molecule of water. So this reaction is important reaction because name reaction hai, and this reaction is known as Halfman bromamide reaction. Now move to next method of preparation. Now the next process is Halfman ammonolysis reaction. In this reaction, alkyl halide, that is we take here CH3CH2, we take here RX, and this reaction is it is react with ammonia NH3 at 373 Kelvin temperature. Okay, so after the removal of HX, it gives RNH2. Again this is primary amine RNH2, it is react with RX, and after the removal of HX, यहाँ से HX निकलेगा, what we get? R2NH, the secondary amine. Now this reaction is going to be followed by the reaction of RX. Now again HX is removed, and what we get? R3N. It is tertiary amine. It is 1 degree amine, it is 2 degree amine, and it is 3 degree amine. This 3 degree amine further react with RX, and there is no H which is removed by this X atom. So what we have? ये जो lone pair का nitrogen have lone pair of electrons attacked on this R, and ये जो bond है shifted towards X atom. So what we have? R4, and N ने अपना lone pair use किया है, so it have positive charge, and X minus. It is known as quaternary ammonium salt. Okay, so this reaction is useful for the preparation of 1 degree, 2 degree as well as 3 degree, and also last में कहाँ पे रुकता है reaction? quaternary ammonium salt पे जाके रुकता है. Okay, and student, this is the industrial method of preparation of amine. Okay, ये industrial method है. Now the next reaction is Gabriel halamide reaction. Gabriel thalamide, what is the formula of thalamide? Thalamide is C double bond O N H NH. Okay, it is thalamide. Thalamide react with KOH, dilute KOH. After the removal of water, that is H2O, what we get? C6H5, C double bond O, N negative, K positive. And this is react with this salt. It is क्या? Thalamide, so potassium thalamide. Salt बन गया ना, potassium thalamide. पोटेशियम थैलेमाइड इज रिएक्ट विद, आपको जो भी आपको एमीन बनाना होगा उसका हम हैलाइड लेंगे। जैसे आई वांट टू फॉर्म, मैं बनाना चाह रही हूँ एथिल एमीन, ओके, सो वी टेक हियर एथिल ब्रोमाइड और एथिल क्लोराइड। तो हमने यहाँ पे एथिल ब्रोमाइड ले लिया, दैट इज C2H5Br, ओके, एंड यहाँ से वो KBr के फॉर्म में निकल जाएगा। एंड व्हाट वी गेट हियर, C double bond O, C double bond O, N link with C2H5। अब हमको Rn मिल गया, ओके। दिस कंपाउंड N methyl thalamide, व्हाट इज द नेम ऑफ दिस कंपाउंड? N में एथिल लगा हुआ है, N एथिल एंड दिस इज थैलेमाइड। इसका हम इट्स गोइंग टू बी हाइड्रोलाइज्ड, इसका हम हाइड्रोलिसिस करा लेंगे। हियर वी टेक 2 मॉलिक्यूल ऑफ वाटर, लेकिन एरो के ऊपर लिख रहे हो तो आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो। तो यहाँ पे क्या मिल जाएगा हमको, C2H5 NH2, ये बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाएंगे एंड 2 H यहाँ पे लग जाएंगे एंड COOH, so that's why we take 2 molecule of water, okay, and plus phthalic acid. What is the formula of phthalic acid? That is C double bond OH and C double bond OH. It is phthalic acid and it is ethyl amine. If we want to form methyl amine, so here we take CH3Br, okay, CH3Br इधर ले लेते हैं। तो जो भी हमको अमीन बनाना होता है उसका हम ब्रोमाइड लगा के यहाँ पे आप लोगे, and this reaction is known as Gabriel Thalamide reaction. Student, this is all about the method of preparation of amine. In next video हम जो है इसका chemical properties and also physical properties done करेंगे, okay. Thank you.